Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Swift programming language. First, understand that Swift is Apple's powerful, intuitive language for building apps across all their platforms. Start by exploring Apple's free Swift Playgrounds app, which offers an engaging, interactive way to grasp the basics. Focus on core concepts such as variables, data types, and control flow. Getting a solid grasp of these fundamentals is crucial for your programming foundation. Once you have the basics down, delve deeper into Swift's core concepts. Explore resources like Stanford's free online course, Developing Apps for iOS, or Apple's comprehensive documentation. Focus on understanding optionals, error handling, and how Swift manages memory. Consistent daily practice, even for just 30 minutes, will significantly improve your retention and problem-solving skills as you progress. The best way to solidify your Swift knowledge is by building. Start with small, manageable projects like a simple calculator or a to-do list app. This hands-on experience helps you apply theoretical knowledge practically. Consider joining online communities or study groups to collaborate with other learners. Sharing ideas and tackling challenges together can accelerate your learning and expose you to different coding approaches. As you become more proficient, explore advanced Swift topics such as concurrency with async/await, networking, and various UI frameworks like Swift UI or UI-Kit. Building a diverse portfolio of projects is essential for demonstrating your capabilities to potential employers or clients. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help keep your workspace tidy while you code. Continuous learning and building will keep your skills sharp and relevant.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.